I grew up in the 80s when the HIV epidemic was around. I'm Ricardo Mostany. I'm a professor in the Department of Pharmacology at Tulane School of Medicine. My lab is interested in how aging impacts the way that neurons in the cortex communicate with each other. So what's the contribution of aging to cognition, to perception? I remember in high school saying, I want to be a scientist and I want to help. When I went to college, I ran into this professor that was working on neurons and the brain, and everything changed then. I like what I'm doing, so I like to mentor students. I like to be involved in their careers. I want people to be successful and help them the same way that I was helped. And that's already something that motivates me to come to work every day. It's no longer a job, it's like a passion.